Hello and welcome to the first day of the spring 2015 semester for English 101 online. My name is Mrs. Dunstan. I'll be your instructor for the entire semester. I want to bring your attention to some of the things I'd like you to work on for today and for the rest of the week. First of all, you will be familiar, I hope, with the idea of the menu bar, which is to the side. I asked you to click on the Getting Started tab, which will give you information about the Introduction to English 101, orientation materials, textbook and course materials, and so forth. That is a good way to get started. Another thing I'd like to bring your attention to is, of course, to the syllabus, which is available, and the calendar. Let me click on the calendar. You'd want to look at the calendar every day to see what is due for the course. I'm not sure what view you have of the calendar. I have the teacher's view. You may have a different view. This is taking a minute to get set up. However, once it's set up, you will see what is due every day and what you're supposed to be working toward in English 101. Also, the learning modules is where you will get my lessons. And if you click on the lessons, let me go to learning mode on. Edit mode off, and you'll see my lessons. And this is where you'll see my daily lessons. For this week, though, I'd like you to hold off on that, because what I'd like you to do is to, of course, working on the orientation materials for the Getting Started. Go through all of my orientations there. I'd also like you to post an introduction of yourself to me and to the class in the Getting to Know You post. I see that one person has already posted. And I would also like you to send me in messages. That's the email medium for emailing me and other class members. I'd like you to email me your contact information. So if you click on Create Messages, address it to Dunstan, Fawcett Dunstan. I'm the instructor. Move the arrow over here and address it as your contact information. You should be able to get the information, and you hit OK, and then you'll send me your name, 2 phone numbers where you can be reached, and your email address, your personal email address, and just hit submit. So again, just to recap, Getting Started is something I'd like you to work through with the orientation. I'd like you to look at the calendar each day to see what is due, and I'd like you to email me in messages your contact information, and finally introduce yourself to us on the discussion board. Thank you so much.